The Sunset Interactive Calculator determines precise sunset times and solar position data for any location on Earth. Let's configure the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate sunset time and solar position. Calculate all twilight phases. Calculate day length and solar noon. Calculate solar angle at specific time. Calculate golden hour and blue hour times. Or calculate shadow length at sunset. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate sunset time and solar position. Now enter your location data. Input your latitude in degrees. I'm using 40.7128. Enter your longitude in degrees. I'll use 10. Set your time zone offset in hours from UTC. I'm entering 10. Finally, specify your elevation above sea level in meters. I'll use 10. Click Calculate to process these values. The calculator returns 4 key results. The sunset time shows 1930, meaning sunset occurs at 7:30 p.m. local time. The sunrise time displays 4:26 or 4:26 a.m. Solar noon occurs at 11:58 when the sun reaches its highest point. The solar declination reads 23.43 degrees, indicating the sun's angular position north of the celestial equator. This data helps engineers plan solar installations, lighting schedules, and astronomical observations. Find the link in the description below.